Now in this lecture we are going to write our very first program in PyCharm. So this is the PyCharm that I have pinned on my taskbar. When I will click on it, PyCharm is going to be opened. So because we have installed the community version, it's PyCharm community. Okay, so now what I will be doing is I will be clicking on create the project, and when I will click on create the project, so this is the default path which has been set for saving the Python programs. I am going to give it the name Hello Mahajan. Then click on create. Okay, this project will be created. A project is nothing else but it can contain many Python programs. So that is why we call it project, because project can contain multiple Python programs. So in the beginning, some processing is taking place, which is creation of virtual environment. It's going to take some time. After that, we will be able to write our first Python program. So let's wait. Virtual environment is being created. Okay, now click on close. So this is our project, name of which is Hello Mahajan. I will press the right mouse button over here, then go to new, and now choose Python file, because we are going to write Python program. So choose Python file, click on it. It will ask for the name of your Python file. Always remember, Python file is always stored with the extension py. You need not give this extension py, it will be automatically suffixed. So this is it. Now you can so now I am going to use the very common statement of Python, that is print. Print is a statement which is used to print something on the screen. If you want to print a string as it is, that is a string constant, it should be enclosed within quotation marks. So I have written print within parentheses. I have written Hello Mahajan Computers within quotation marks, and in the next print statement I am going to write within parentheses Kurukshetra, Haryana, India, that too in quotations. So we are not supposed to terminate the statements with semicolon as we do in C, C++ and Java. So the first print statement will print Hello Mahajan Computers, and the second one will print Kurukshetra, Haryana, India. Go on run, then click on run. Okay, so when you will click on run, it will ask for the name of the program. I have clicked on first. Yeah, see, the program has been executed. See at the bottom, Hello Mahajan Computers, Kurukshetra, Haryana, India. So this message has been printed as output, and this is the output of these two print statements that we have used in our Python code. So congratulations, this was your first Python program.